Welcome to Lola's World. Hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hello everybody. Welcome back to a new video. Today's video, I'm going to interview Michelle. What is it like to be a single mom in the Philippines? Right, everybody, before I'm going to continue the interview with Michelle, let's watch this first, okay? So, right now, we are going to show you Michelle's house and how her living situation is. Okay, Michelle, show us where this is your kitchen, your
This is
dining.
my dining.
Okay, that's her dining. Her sari store. There's nothing. It's empty. She has no stocks at the moment.
This is the way going to my kids' room.
Oh, so this is her kids. So her kids. That's her kids' room up there.
We put the second floor because the last year nang ginsulod kami flood.
Oh, really?
We
Last year,
we,
nag-flooded ka mo?
we put the second floor because last year we had a flood.
Oh, because you guys.
We jumped into the window
Oh
over
my.
there.
Oh my goodness.
We jumped.
How tall was the water?
Because my house is beside the creek. Ara, kilid sa pa.
So this is the river where Michelle's house is. So this is the river. Michelle lives by the river. That's Michelle's house right there.
This is where we jump.
Oh my goodness. How tall was the water, Day?
The water is
Oh,
from here.
from the floor?
Oh, diri hasta ang water.
Oh my goodness.
So that's why we jumped there.
Oh. Wow.
We don't have yet stairs. We don't have second floor before when the flood came here.
Oh, wow.
Oo.
And this is you guys' kitchen?
Dirty kitchen. Dirty kitchen.
And that's the room in there?
Yeah, this is my room.
Oh.
This is my
Your
my
job?
uniform.
That's your job?
I will roam around again and get numbers like this. I put the numbers here of the people. See, I do this. I list it here and then I summarize it here. I put their numbers and submit it on our office.
It's
And
like a lottery ticket, everybody. So except it's just in a small amount of money, not like in the US.
Yes.
Our Powerball is millions.
Yeah.
Here
Right
is-
now my kids my youngest son is sick. And I don't have yet money for his medicine because his teacher told me if I will let him go to the doctor for checkup, maybe he will have foot and mouth disease because he's having an itchy right here. And gani na sangga sore throat, may mga sore sa sulod sang yan na.
So I'm gonna let her explain. So how is it, Dai? Michelle, how is it to be a single mom in the Philippines?
As a single mom, it's very really hard to be a single mom because I do all the works, like you cook food for the kids, you have to wake up every morning to prepare food for them for so that they can eat before they go to school. And then I go to my STL. Right now
doing STL as an agent. Um,
What is STL? Explain to, because I don't
STL
think, yeah.
is sweepstakes.
It's like a lottery,
Ben
everybody.
pabaro anay ben sang ano. Hindi ang ako na ano na this is the STL uniform. Um, I have also ID. So when I go around and get numbers for the people, and if they won, I have commission. That's the way I work. But before I was an agent of STL, I do baking. I bake and sell.
You bake
And
it, you bake here in your house?
yes, I bake in my house. And I sell it. I sell it in call center and in schools. But right now I don't bake anymore because I don't have capital. So if I will have capital if I loan here in the Philippines. So you will have capital. Some people loan money from a
Like
lending,
like what? Like loan shark or bank or
like one puhunan. One puhunan is a lending company that they let the people borrow money from them. I have 4 kids. Um, my kids are all boys. I have 20 years old. I have 15. I have 12, and I have 6 years old.
wow. Married or are you single?
I'm single.
Yeah.
I've never been married.
Oh, so you were never married.
No.
Okay. So what did you used to do before you got together with your
Uh,
kid's dad?
I do business. I have a small sari-sari store,
Ah.
and then I also bake when we
Mm.
were together, when he's not died ng
Oh,
when he's not uh, uh hindi pa siya patay ng ano gani, he's not dead yet.
so let me ask you this. So your kid's dad passed away?
Yes, the
Ah,
3 kids,
wow.
father died, and the youngest father of my son went to jail.
Oh, okay. So you're raising 4 kids by yourself.
Yes, I'm raising 4 kids by myself.
Mm. Hmm.
Sometimes if we don't have what we call ulam bayad,
You have no food.
yeah, if we don't have food, I I buy sometimes 1 egg or 2 eggs, and then I beat it scrambled, and I and I make fried rice.
So
So
like two. What was that? Well, how many eggs you said?
sometimes 1 or 2, and I mix it.
For like five of you eating the
Yeah,
2 eggs
yeah.
or 1 eggs. Wow. Wow.
That's the way of living as a single mom if we don't have food. Or sometimes if we don't have food, I borrow, what you call lang, mautang?
Oh, sometimes if they don't have no money and they have
Mautang sa
no
Changi.
food, they try to get credit from the
Ah,
sari store. Like my
yeah.
sister has a sari store.
So I
Is that where
credit
you
from
get? Oh,
from
okay.
her sister.
Huh.
I credit food like I credit canned goods, noodles like that.
Hmm.
And right now we are having some problem of water, so every time we don't have water, I buy water from her sister. Like we put it here. Yes, here. We put it here. We buy from her sister a gallon of water.
Hmm. Wow. So you have no running water in your house.
No, we don't have
But,
water right now.
wow.
This is very hard. That
Wow.
is, now it's very hard for us because me and the kids are the one who's carrying those gallons, and we have the big ones like this. We put it here, so we carry it from the house of her sister and from their house going here.
Hmm. So, have you ever thought about going back to work?
Yes, I'm planning to bake again because sometimes my other customer asking me if I go back baking, and then sometimes they ask me if I'm still baking, and I said if I have capital I will bake again. So just a little waiting.
So let me ask you this: what kind of baked goods you like? Dessert or bread, or what kind of baking you do?
I bake chocolate cake. I bake coffee cake ng um buttered icing like that, and I do crinkles, brownies, butterscotch. I have this one. This is me. I'm baking. See? I'm baking cakes, and this is my banana with chocolate chips and the crinkles. And I before I'm selling also clothes. See,
Oh,
I do ukay-ukay.
oh,
I'm selling clothes.
huh, interesting. So this is your kids?
Yes, this is my kids. My youngest, my third, my eldest, my
How
third,
old is
my
he?
second. He's 20 years old.
Oh. So is that you? Look,
Yeah,
look at her. She's so sexy. Wow.
I won first runner up in Bongga Kanay.
Wow, look at you. Wow. So, like, how long is your
Um, when my
daddy's kids?
when my husband died 2016.
Oh, so you got married then? You were married?
No, I'm
Oh
not
no, you
married.
mean your live-in
Live-in
partner?
partner, yes.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. I'm not married, and I've never been married.
Okay.
I just had live-in. He died 2016 for gunshot,
Oh.
and then after 2016 I had a boyfriend 28 2019.
Mm.
uh
So and then.
2018,
Mhm.
2019 I get pregnant.
Oh.
Oo, sakto.
So now you got 4 kids and you're raising them by yourself?
Yes, I'm raising
Wow.
by themselves
Huh.
because the father of my youngest went to jail. So I am separated.
Wow. Huh. Wow. That's craziness.
Craziness. Right
That's
now I am an auditor in our Solo Parent Association here in Barangay Felisa. I'm one of the solo parent officers.
what do you guys do there?
Uh, we we had an association, and we asked for those single parents to join us, and
Mhm.
the government had ano na gani ng they gave us 12,000 every once a year.
Uh-huh. Well, what do you mean 12,000 once a year to do what?
No,
To do what?
it's like allowance
For
for
single
single
moms?
parent.
So what do you guys do with how much was that?
12,000.
What do
That
you guys
is
do?
1,000 every month. But it's not every month they gave it. They gave it once a year.
So when you guys receive that 12,000 once a year, what do you guys do with the money?
I buy food for the kids, and I
Also,
sometimes
so when you guys, so you get like 12,000
uh
a year
uh
from the government because
from the
you're saying,
government.
oh, okay.
But that was But that was last year ano bala, na napatukod in
Oh.
ano,
So last year, it was last
it,
year they
um,
started that.
they started it
Ah.
last
So
year.
last year they started the association for a single mom. I guess the government is giving a single mom 12,000 pesos a year. So they only give it to you guys once a
Uh,
year? Wow.
Once a year. They
Wow.
gave us once a year, and sometimes they if we ask a person that is a solo parent, sometimes they neglect the ano the opportunity because they said it's hard to know because many requirements.
Oh.
You have many requirements to do it, so before you enter the
So that,
association.
hold on, so that 12,000 pesos for the whole year,
uh,
is that because I mean, is that like how many kids you have, or is that
I
just
have
flat? Is it just flat rate
oo,
12,000?
12,000 lang gid.
Like even if a single mom only have one kids,
Uh,
they
uh,
still get
uh,
12,000? Oh,
Important that the child is studying.
oh.
Oo.
So is your kids has a pre-education?
They have free education because they went to school to a public school.
Okay.
Oo. My ang hard, it's very hard lang kay ang daily the my ano gani man, the hardest for me is the daily budget for their um allowance in school. Amo
Oh,
na
hmm.
ang budlay.
Wow. So like the job that you have, do you get paid every day?
No, I only have commission in every 500 pesos in STL. In every 500 pesos, I only have 35 pesos commission.
Oh my
But if
goodness.
they won, I have 10%.
Wow. So like in a day, how much do you sell ticket wise? Do you
Uh,
get
and
like
I sometimes have 20 pesos.
that's it?
uh,
Oh my goodness.
Sometimes I
20
have
pesos?
yes.
Can't even buy anything with that. Wow.
But if they won, I they gave me, like for example, if they paid 5 pesos, in 5 pesos they will won 2,700, and the person who won, they gave me 200.
Hmm.
And I also have commission from our office.
Hmm. Wow. Wow, grabe.
Very hard.
Lit-
That's why I want to go baking again, because in baking you will have half commission in your baking.
So like who buys your baking goods?
The people in call center, and sometimes I put it online.
Oh, gotcha.
uh,
Huh. Wow.
I don't have stable job.
Yeah. Do you
uh,
ever thought about like going to like get a real job?
yes, I wanted, but I have a small kid. I
How old is your youngest?
He's just turned 6,
Oh.
so I
Hmm.
let him go to school. I do the one who ano gani ng dulong.
Oh, you're the one that pick him up and
Uh,
take him to school?
Oo.
Oh.
I just walk lang.
Hmm.
I walk from my house to school, and then school to
Like
house.
how many kilometers is that? Like,
Ano naman, mga ano kalawigo naman.
hmm.
Mga 15 minutes. Ah, hindi. Daw mga 20 minutes siguro na. Ang
Oo.
kalayoon.
Yeah. Hmm. I guess it's kind of so you just walk?
Yeah, I
Wow.
just walk.
So
Kay
so
no budget.
so when she go take her kids to school, it's like 20 minutes from her house to school. Then when she picks up her kid from school, it's another 20 minutes from school to her house. So it's kind of far, and she's just walking because I think if you ride the e-bike,
Uh,
tricycle, It costs like how
we
much
pay
is it?
10 pesos each
Yeah.
person.
So anyway, everybody, I mean, like I said, she's a single mom, and I guess it's been really hard for her, being a single mom raising four kids with no dad. Of course, it's hard, because she has little kids, and she can't go get a job because her kids is just little.
Okay.
So I mean, anything else you want to say, Dai?
Um, if we don't have food, my father, my mother, and my other siblings, my brothers and sisters, they send me money.
Oh,
Uh,
oh,
but not enough for our daily.
so
I
you're
just budgeted it.
so basically your parents, they're helping you
Yeah,
out here and
they
there
help me.
every now and then.
Uh,
No, that's nice. It's nice to have family,
uh,
you know. So
Amugin mo na mo.
yeah,
The tradition of Filipino, they help. They help.
yeah. I mean, in the Philippines, if you guys know, I mean, if you haven't noticed it, family is very they're it's very close, very tight. They help one another. They don't just let one person go starve. If that person didn't have nothing, the family will pitch in and help out and give the other family that don't have anything or they hardly have nothing, they help them out. And like her dad just showed up, he brought some food. I didn't want to show you guys that because I didn't want to film her dad, but her dad just brought them food, like she said. Every now and then, her parents help them out. So
Yes.
that's the nice thing about in the Philippines because everybody they try to help one another. So
But not all the time they help me. I also find way how to pay my bills, like my electricity and other other payments, because I go lending, so
so
I
you
can
so you go get credit.
uh,
Is that like from 5-6 or like
from a company give na
from a
lending.
company? Oh, okay. So they loaned you some money even though
Yes.
you have no job?
Yes, because before I have a sari-sari store. So
Oh.
I paid it every
Oh.
time ano.
Okay.
Pero sa subong ano naman kuliwat para ka bake.
Okay. Yeah. So that's that. I mean, I just wanted to show you guys how is life in the Philippines as a single mom. I mean, especially when you have just a little kids, it's hard to, because I don't know how far is your parents.
Um my mother is living in Silay and my father is living in Cacoling.
Oh,
So
so
very far.
yeah. So
Oo.
like, if she go get a job, I mean, her parents live far away. So
Hmm.
you can't really afford, I mean, you can't hardly afford to pay for your food. So she can't afford to pay a babysitter. So what she does is she just try to make it without having a job, basically.
Hmm.
So like, I'm impressed how you're making it. Wow, how long you been doing this?
Sang sini mo lang ko nag-STL.
Oh yeah.
Oo.
So before you did the STL, what did you
After
do?
pandemic, ara pa ko ga-bake pa ko.
Okay.
Mga ano pa lang ko sa STL, sang October lang, October, end of the month ko nakabaton sa akon ID.
Oh wow.
Oo.
Wow. I'm really impressed how you're making it.
Kabudlay.
Wow. So like, you know, I guess you have to do what you have
I'm
to do,
also
right?
a PWD person because I have operation in my heart.
So what is PWD mean?
ng person with disability.
So what do you, I mean, is the government helping you?
Wala pa funding ang
Oh,
sa PWD. Amo pa nang gusto nila ipangayuan.
oh.
Muna.
So that's her kid? That's the youngest, right?
Oo.
So that's the youngest. How old are you? 6?
6. Say 6.
So you go to like what? Preschool now?
Grade 1 na siya.
Grade 1? Oh, wow. So how come you're not going to school today? No school
Kay
today?
may gaylan at sa subong tapos
Oh,
pa-check up ni siya.
oh.
Base sa foot and mouth disease wala ko
Mm.
no.
So that's her youngest, everybody. So he's 6 years old. So anyway, well, thank you for letting us into your life.
Thank you.
And it was kind of enlightening, don't you think, everybody? It's kind of enlightening how they live. It's like a lot of us in the US, a lot of people, they're complaining how they don't have this, they don't have that. As you can see, as she was saying, she makes 35 peso commission out of 500 peso ticket that she sell. So not even 35 peso. How much is that? That's like it's 56 to 1. So anyway, everybody, um thank you so much, Inday, sa
Thank you.
pag you let me interview you and put you out there. That's Michelle's story. I hope you guys found her story amusing, and she's raising her children by herself. I don't know how she's making it, because when she was telling me a story, she makes 35 pesos, sometimes she makes 20 pesos. I don't know how she's making it. I mean, like I said, it's like that's very little money. Anyway, so that was her story. I hope you guys had enjoy it. Well, anyway, everyone, thank you so much. I'm gonna end this video right here. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and
And
subscribe.
subscribe.
All right, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye.